Sobra kaming proud
exit kami pa ganyan.
sa project na to.
Dito.
Napanood niyo na ba yung trailer? Okay, tatanungin ko lang, nagustuhan niyo ba yung trailer? Okay, we promise you, sinabi na nga pinag-usapan namin ni Boss ito, mas maganda pa yung pelikula sa trailer. May promise namin yun. Kaya maraming salamat. Alam namin, mahirap pumunta dito. This is the Friday before Christmas, pero pumunta pa rin kayo. Malaking bagay para sa amin to share this movie for the first time with friends, with family, with everyone. So maraming salamat.
Hi fans! Thank you everyone for coming. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung nararamdaman ko ngayon. It's excitement and kaba. How are you feeling? Sabi ko, I'm okay. 5 araw na ako hindi nakakatulog. And that's because I'm excited. And at the same time, nandun yung kaba. And seeing my friends and family here, supporting me, supporting the film, supporting everyone, nakakatanggal ng kaba, nakakadagdag ng excitement. Thank you very much everyone. Happy Christmas. Here's Fiona.
Yes, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat for joining us tonight. Napakahirap kumita ng pelikula nowadays, pero ito pong handog namin na Kingdom. Hindi po kayo magsisisi. Pare-pareho po natin mapapanood sa unang pagkakataon ng The Kingdom. Sana po mag-enjoy tayo. The blessed and the Merry Christmas. Everyone, thank you. God bless you. Merry Christmas. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Sid Lucero na!
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you for coming out tonight. Alam namin mag-traffic. Pero sana, sure kami ma-enjoy niyo po yung Facebook. Guys, yun po. Maraming salamat.
Ngayon, tawagin natin si Cedric. Of course, we want to know how you're feeling as well. Or kaya may baka gusto kang i-share sa ating mga friends and family who are here tonight supporting us.
Yun lang po. Sana yung magaganap po na Metro Manila Film Festival, itong 50th na to, ay tangkilikin natin ng mga pelikulang Pilipino, starting po sa Pasko. Unahin na po natin yung The Kingdom at kasama na rin po yung siyang para mga pelikula. Kasi lahat to ay kwento ng mga bawat Pilipino sa pagkakaibang klase ng buhay. Yun na po.
Seth, kaya pumunta naman tayo dito sa kabila. Hello, Zion. Hello, Mark. Kamusta naman kayo, guys? Ano ba nararamdaman niyo tonight?
Nakakaba kasi kasama namin the biggest cast of the film industry. So we're excited and happy to be proud of this. And congratulations to the entire cast, especially to the pro, to Direct Line. And yes, guys, enjoy during this season with your family and friends to watch The Kingdom.
Hello everybody, good evening po. First of all, I want to thank each and everyone for the time and effort to come here to watch the premiere night. And I just wish you all guys could enjoy the movie, The Kingdom, and patuloy niyong supportan everyone. Thank you so much.
Zion, you want to say a couple of words to our friends and family who are supporting you tonight?
I'm feeling very happy and excited to see myself a part of The Kingdom. Sana po tumaas ang rating nito at sana po malaki po sa everyone.
Ang galing niya.
Maraming salamat, Zion. Siyempre, lahat kayo papasalita rin mo na rin na. Sir Bobby, come on. Share a couple of words to our friends and family.
Salamat na sabi ko, may dugo ni Bathala!
magkuha ng tuhod ko eh.
Maraming salamat. Maraming po salamat. The Kingdom! 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 Kingdom!
Maraming salamat po. Direct, go ahead. Baka gusto nyo na po i-share sa atin kung kailan po ba natin mapapanood in the cinemas ang ating The Kingdom.
Thank you. Ano yun? Halika na, lalo tayo ng sine.
Ayun!
Let's go!
Let's go! Ayun po, ngayon bibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon mag-hello sa ating friends and family na nasa Cinema 15. Kaya samahan niyo po ako, bibisitahin natin sila doon. Okay. Cinema 12 daw po muna. Nagkakaroon na lang. Sorry, we have 3 cinemas tonight! Di ba guys? Palakpakan naman natin yan! Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman natin yung The Cast of The Kingdom! Let's make The Kingdom number 1!
Papa P! Thank you, thank you.